One of the most important skills in drawing and shading is being able to vary the amount of pressure you apply to the point of the pencil. Now, this is something that I know many drawing students struggle with. So in this video, I'll share a few simple tips that can help. As usual, a big thanks to everyone who supported my books, Pen and Ink Drawing a Simple Guide and the Pen and Ink Drawing Workbook, and also for 3,000 reviews on Amazon. Thank you so much, guys. One of the main reasons drawing students find it challenging to vary pressure and tend to press too hard in drawing is because it's a habit we inherit or carry over from handwriting. And with writing being such a consistent daily practice, it's even harder for drawing students to unlearn this or be able to switch it off. So what can we do? One of the most effective ways to learn to be sensitive to how much pressure we exert is to use a really delicate point. Use like a long, slender, sharpened point, or a 0.5 millimeter or 0.3 millimeter or 0.7 millimeter mechanical pencil. The goal is to be able to go through the whole drawing without breaking the point or stressing it to its breaking point. Another useful tip is to practice drawing with only one pencil, especially like an HB grade, like a number 2 pencil, because it is both hard and soft just enough to create a decent range of values from light to dark. This way, we have no choice but to adjust our pressure to create lights and darks instead of simply using, a pencil for light values like a 2H or one for deep values like a 4B. And this last tip I used a lot. I would create a simple value scale and refer to it as I work through my drawing. So for example, during the sketching phase, my values would never pass, say like a 0 or 1. And this helps to ensure that I don't rush to deep values too quickly and I pay attention to the amount of pressure that I'm using. So put these to practice and they'll really help you to be aware of the pressure you use as you draw. Thanks for watching, everyone. Go ahead and keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next video.